Hey everybody, it's Nate with Z-Bros, and today I want to talk a little bit about springs, but most specifically spring kits by Z-Bros. We have spring kits for all makes and models. Check out the website. They're going to come complete. Now, you might ask, why would I need a spring kit? Well, majority of these cars come undersprung from the factory, especially if you have a four-seater type car, you're carrying tools or some kind of extra weight in the car and accessories in general. Wheels and tires can affect it as well. So what we've done is engineered spring kits specifically for your make and model to give you back the ride height that you've lost and improve your ride quality. So it's not just about lifting the vehicle, it's about getting it to a proper ride height with the correct rates, with the correct progressive springs sometimes the springs are linear, the correct spring dividers, and even crossovers. Some of the models don't come with crossovers, so if you have a dual rate, but you don't have a correct spring divider and crossover, it's not really doing you justice and it's not as adjustable. So our kits are complete, they're well thought out, good instructions. For the most part, they're pretty easy to do in your garage with the right type of hand tools. So check it out at Z-Bros Racing, or reach out to your local Z-Bros dealer and get your spring kit today. And when you're shopping, don't forget to get a limit strap kit. It's a great way to protect your shock and to save those CVs when you're going to a bigger tire and wheel.